Good evening, सगळ्यांना आणि वेलकम once again. I am Dipti Deshpande from Khedia आणि we are here once again. I welcome all of you. सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे आजच्या लाईव्ह मध्ये. आज मुख्य म्हणजे मोठं स्वागत आहे क्षिप्रा रोहित यांचं, who has joined us for the live today. So Shipra Rohit is the founder, trustee and secretary of Dr. Shanta Vaidya Memorial Foundation. She is also the member of General Council of Rehabilitation Council of India. MA and MPhil by qualification. She has also completed her postgraduate diploma in child and adolescent psychology. She has authored 2 books published by the foundation and is a co-investigator on project by National Brain Research Center of Government of India. So welcome Shipra. आणि आजचा आपला टॉपिक आहे प्री स्किल्स किंवा बेसिक स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर लर्निंग. खूपच इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक आहे, कारण प्रत्येक पेरेंटच्या मनात हे कुठेतरी असतंच की काय स्किल्स आपण डेव्हलप केले तर आपलं मूल त्याच्या पुढच्या सगळ्या जर्नीमध्ये विल बी सक्सेसफुल. सो बिफोर वी हॅव पार्टिसिपेंट जॉईनिंग इन, तुम्ही एक ब्रीफ मध्ये टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन करू शकाल आपलं आजचं काय आहे टॉपिक?
हो, नक्की. शाळेमध्ये मुलं जेव्हा पुढे पुढे जातात, 1ली, 2री, 5वी, 10वी, त्या सगळ्याच्यात children, as their syllabus increases, the need of reading and writing increases, and so many a times children lag behind in this academic part. So we always feel that prevention is better cure. So if we develop many skills during early age, then it helps children to develop their reading and writing. So today we are going to talk about this. The discussion will be around this.
Okay, great. So I'll just explain the pattern of the live. I have a set of questions which as usual I need to ask you, and post that we take questions from the audience. जसे जसे त्यांचे प्रश्न येतील आपण 1 by 1 आपलं डिस्कशन झालं की त्याच्यानंतर 1 by 1 त्याची उत्तरं देण्याचा प्रयत्न करूया. आणि सिन्स आपलं मराठी आणि नॉन मराठी असं दोन्ही ऑडियन्स आहे, आपण हे सेशन मिक्स्ड असणार आहे, मराठी पण असणार आहे, इंग्लिश पण असणार आहे. सो एखादी गोष्ट आपण मराठीत बोललो तर वी ट्राय की वी रिपीट द सेम इन इंग्लिश सो दॅट एव्हरीवन अंडरस्टँड्स द टॉपिक बेटर.
Yes.
Okay. So first question, basic question, which I think is the topic for our discussion today, which skills do we refer to when we say ki these are the pre-required skills or the basic skills required for learning? So can you explain what are the basic skills?
Yes, sure. Generally when we think of academics, we think of reading and writing, but there are many pre-required skills. I'll just give an example of riding a bike. If you want to ride a bike, you have a bike, you have a manual, you know how to ride it theoretically. But unless and until you balance your body, you cannot ride that bike, two-wheeler. Same thing. You have notebooks, you have pen, you have blackboard, you have teacher, but you need few pre-required skills to learn reading and writing. Those are on physical level and psychological level. So there are around 12 or 13 pre-skills which are necessary for reading and writing.
Okay. So to start the session, can we first list down the 12 skills that you're talking about?
Yes, sure. For parents, it will become easy to remember. So I will give it a sequence. In Marathi, we say Adi Paya Mag Kalasu. I said की आधी पाया मग कळस, म्हणजे क्रमाने सांगते म्हणजे पालकांना लक्षात द्यायला सोपं जाईल. आता ते कसं कनेक्टेड आहे ते पुढे बघू, पण पाया, आपले पाय, ग्रॉस मोटर्स, लार्ज मसल्स इन बॉडी इज वन. नेक्स्ट इज कोर मसल्स, आपले कंबर, पोट, पाठ त्याचे मसल्स. देन शोल्डर, then fine motor, then eye and hand coordination, then visual skills, bilateral coordination, midline crossing, attention, listening, observation, and memory. So this is the list.
So
of
I think so we have a list of almost 12 skills, I think.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I think we can start one by one. I will ask you each of the skills you mentioned, and you can quickly explain what is the meaning of that skill.
Yes, yes.
So the first one you said was gross motor skills.
Yeah.
So what do you mean by gross motor skills?
Gross motor in Marathi or in English simple language, large muscles, हाताचे, पायाचे स्नायू, आणि त्याचं स्किल, हाताचे आणि पायाचे मोठे स्नायू जे आहेत त्याचं स्किल. नेक्स्ट आय सेड कोर मसल्स.
Of core muscle skills. Yes.
Core muscle strength. Core muscles is muscles of your abdomen, waist, and total back and I mean abdomen and waist. That is core muscle skill. And then shoulders, strength of shoulder, म्हणजे खांद्यामधली ताकद. देन फाईन मोटर्स, म्हणजे छोटे स्नायू, बोटाचे छोटे स्नायू. मग आय आणि हँड कोऑर्डिनेशन, म्हणजे डोळे आणि हात एकत्र काम करतायत. व्हिज्युअल स्किल्स, डोळ्यांनी खूप शिकत असतो आपण. बायलॅटरल कोऑर्डिनेशन म्हणजे दोन्ही बाजूचं संतुलन. मिडलाईन क्रॉसिंग म्हणजे शरीराची एक मध्यरेषा आहे ती पार करणं. अटेन्शन म्हणजे लक्ष देणं. लिसनिंग ऐकणं. ऑब्झर्वेशन म्हणजे निरीक्षण. आणि मेमरी. Core muscles is our muscles of abdomen and wrist. Then comes strength of shoulder.
Fine motors.
Shoulder and then fine motors. Fine motor म्हणजे छोटे स्नायू, शरीरातील small muscles. Large muscles are of hand and legs. Now these are small muscles. Actual लिहायला लागतात बोट. Then eye and hand coordination. If you want to do reading and writing, you want to work these eye and hand in coordination with each other.
Correct.
Then visual skill. When whatever we learn visually. We read, we write, we express. Those are visual skills. Bilateral coordination means whenever we are writing, so bilateral is balancing of both the sides of body.
Okay.
Midline crossing means this is our midline of body. Our body is symmetrical and our hands and eyes are crossing that. That is midline.
Okay.
Then comes attention. You need attention. Without attention, you cannot learn. Observation. Simple to understand. की बारीक बारीक निरीक्षणातनं मूल शिकत असतं. And then attention, listening. जसं visually we are learning visually, like that we are learning by listening also. And then memory. So हा त्याचा अर्थ आहे या सगळ्या स्किल्सचा.
Okay. So as you said, it's a combination of all these 12 skills probably that will enable any child or any individual to do all the day-to-day activities, may it be reading, writing, or any day-to-day activities. तुम्ही जे एक्सप्लेन केलं त्यातनं हे लक्षात येतं की it is not only related to academics किंवा reading, writing. For any task that you perform during the day, if you do not have these basic skills, you won't be able to do it.
Correct.
So now, which are now the pre-skills required for reading, writing, and mathematics among children?
Yes. So all these skills are needed. If you want your child to excel in that, it is not only reading of the textbook. It is not only reading or copying down from the board. All these skills help child to do reading and writing.
Okay.
And even mathematics.
Okay. So now, then what is the relationship between these pre-skills and your academic skills or your academic progress? So now we understand that these are the basic skills required, but how do you relate it? त्याचा संबंध कसा जोडणार academicsशी? कारण हे तर जीवनावश्यक स्किल्स झाले लिटरली. पण आता हाऊ डू यू कनेक्ट देम टू अकॅडमिक्स? कारण मेन सगळ्यांचा फोकस आय थिंक इज ऑलवेज अकॅडमिक्स.
आणि भारतामध्ये रायटिंग वर जेवढं प्रेम आहे ना ते म्हणजे आपल्यातून आहे. You cannot beat that.
So how do you connect this?
Yes. So shall I explain one by one skill?
Absolutely. Yes.
So
absolutely.
See, gross motor skill is a skill of large muscles, as I said. पायाचे आणि हाताचे मोठे स्नायू. Those muscles give stability and posture to our posture. That firm posture is established. And child needs that stability and posture to sit for reading and writing. त्यामुळे त्याचा direct reading and if the child has poor gross motor skills, it is going to hamper directly their reading and writing because posture and overall stability of the body is not there. Core muscles is, as I said, our muscles of abdomen and wrist. Those muscles help us to have that writing posture. Sometimes we see children are sitting as they cannot sit properly. Though if they are watching TV at home or sitting in the classroom, their core muscle strength is not developed. So they cannot sustain for writing task.
Okay.
Strength of shoulders. So I'm going from bottom to top. It is easy for parents to remember. So
absolutely.
Shoulder strength that provides strength to our small muscles. These are tiny small muscles which are going to hold pen and pencil for writing. म्हणजे पेन और पेन्सिल चलते रहो. पेन अँड पेन्सिलची क्वालिटी महत्वाची आहेच, पण हे स्ट्रेंथ महत्वाची आहे. ही स्ट्रेंथ हा शोल्डर मध्ये असेल तर ती इथे येईल. Then comes actual fine motor skills. आणि मग that strength gives a pincer grip, a necessary strength to hold a pen or pencil. Then comes eye and hand coordination. If child is not able to copy down from the board in the notebook or copy down from book to notebook, one book to notebook, we must take a doubt that maybe eye hand coordination is lacking. Because your eyes and your hands must work in coordination with each other. Bilateral coordination is balancing of body, both parts. Sometimes you just make a try to write with a writing hand and keep your other hand back.
Okay.
Parents should do this, and you will find that within a 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes you get tired. See, necessity is when you are writing with your right hand or left hand. Your other part of the body is balancing the writing part of the body. So when your child says की दुखतंय, कंटाळा आलाय, होत नाही, जमत नाही, हात दुखतोय, so you should take all these doubts. की अरे ग्रॉस मोटर स्किल, कोर मसल, शोल्डर, बायलेटरल कोऑर्डिनेशन कुठे गडबड आहे का? मग midline crossing. Midline means our body is symmetrical and we have imaginary line. Okay. While reading, we don't keep our book at one side. We keep it in the center. See, my eyes are crossing midline of my body. My hand is crossing that midline. That is very important skill. आणि हे असं वरवर दिसत नाही, म्हणजे मूल फिजिकली फिट दिसतं ना, त्यामुळे हे इंटरनल स्किल आहे आणि हे डेव्हलपच झालं नसेल, वी डोंट इमॅजिन.
इट मस्ट बी ट्रॉमॅटिक फॉर द चाइल्ड. असं काहीतरी आहे.
Exactly. And what happens, generally, if children have physical disability, we feel sympathetic about that child. Ki, are, he, they disable, how can? But 20% children around the world are facing this problem. So it's a huge number. So they are physically fit, but all these internal skills are not developed naturally. So eye hand coordination, bilateral, midline, we had a talk. Visual skills. See, it's a beautiful thing we need to understand is when we read from board or from book, generally there is approximate number of words we catch in our at one glance. एका दृष्टीत आपण काही शब्द साठवतो. But 20% children are failing to catch those many words at a glance. So what happens? What happens is when they are reading from the board, if you and me can take 5-6 words at a glance, they might be are able to take 2-3 words at a glance. So obviously your and my speed will be double than this child's. And so this and eye hand coordination might be lagging. One more visual skill is visual tracing. What is reading? आपण डोळ्यांनी शब्दांचा किंवा अक्षरांचा जो वेध घेतो, दॅट इज रीडिंग. त्याचं आकलन होतं आपल्याला, बुद्धिमत्ता सर्वसाधारण असेल तर. आणि तो वेध घेता न येणं, व्हिज्युअल ट्रेसिंग, चिल्ड्रन कॅनॉट डू. So they lag. What happens as a result? Notebooks are incomplete. They are lagging behind. आणि मग ते मुलं सारखी म्हणतात टीचरला की मिस बोर्ड नका पुसू, प्लीज वेट. But what happens, in India, we scold these children. काय झालं पटपट लिहायला तुला? But we don't think की अरे see, if a child is lagging or not able to complete the notebook, you have to take so many doubts. बेसिकली व्हिज्युअल चष्मा नाही ना हे टेस्टिंग करून घेणं. मग नंतर आय हँड कोऑर्डिनेशन आहे का, बायलॅटरल कोऑर्डिनेशन आहे का, मिडलाईन क्रॉसिंग आहे का, फाईन मोटर डेव्हलप झालंय का, कोर मसल्स डेव्हलप झाल्यात का. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली वी डोंट डू दॅट. आणि मग आपण उलट काय करतो, आता ना त्याचं रायटिंग स्पीड खूप कमी आहे बरं का, त्याला रोज 2-2 पानं लिहून काढायला सांगा. इट इज लाईक asking a person to run a kilometer who is having paralysis. So these are on physical level skills, visual skills and all that. Next skill important is attention. Unless and until we are paying attention, we cannot learn. Attention मग अटेन्शन स्पॅन हा जनरली वयानुसारही डेव्हलप होत असतो. काही मुलांचा खूप चांगला असतो नॅचरली, काही मुलांचा पुअर असतो. खूप चांगला असतो ना तर काही प्रश्न नाही, फार डिफिकल्टी येत नाही. बट इफ दॅट अटेन्शन स्पॅन इज शॉर्टर, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, a child is sitting in the third standard, age is 7 or 8 years old,
8 years of
8 years old, one period, one teacher is going to teach for 35 to 40 minutes, and if the attention span of the child is 15 minutes, what will he do? आता समजा तुम्ही बोलताय आणि मी बोलतेय, ह्याच्यात आपल्या दोघींपैकी एकीचं अटेन्शन गेलं तर आपण काहीतरी खोड्या करायला लागणार ना. And those are children, they will do something mischiefs and all that. So attention, without attention child cannot learn. आणि आता खूप रिसर्च इज गोइंग ऑन दिस, की nowadays attention deficit is increasing among children and many research papers are there. So we as a parent we need to think ki if my child is having proper attention span.
Okay.
Next psychological level skill is listening. If say as visual skills are necessary, we learn by visual, we learn visually, we learn by auditory inputs also. मग लिसनिंग मध्ये जर लेटर आणि साऊंड ह्याचा असोसिएशन जर लिसनिंग मधनं झालं नाही, म्हणजे सी सेज क, ए सेज ॲ आणि टी सेज ट, ते जर लेटर आणि साऊंडचं असोसिएशन झालं नाही, तिथे जर कमी पडलं तर मुलाला स्पेलिंग मध्ये डिफिकल्टी येणार आहे. सो लिसनिंग इज इम्पॉर्टंट. ऑडिटरी स्किल्स, लिसनिंग आणि ऑडिटरी स्किल्स means letter sound association, remembering that tone, tune is important. Next, attention, listening, then observation. Children do observation ना, की सी बी आणि डी मध्ये गोंधळ होतो की नाही. तर हा बी आणि डी मधला ते ऑब्झर्वेशन सुद्धा डेव्हलप केले पाहिजेत मुलांचे. ऑब्झर्व बी आणि डी फक्त ऑब्झर्वेशनच्या गोंधळानेच कमी करता येईल असं नाही, त्याला रेमेडियल टीचिंगच्या खूप वेगळ्या मेथड आहेत. पण ऑब्झर्वेशन स्किल्स डेव्हलप केले तर चिल्ड्रन सी स्मॉल कन्फ्युजन्स कॅन बी क्लिअर्ड. एक मात्रा, दो मात्रे, ऱ्हस्व उकार, दीर्घ उकार, सिंगल ई, डबल ई, only E and EA. So observation skills are equally important. And then comes memory. So whatever information you are taking in, you have to produce it out. So need to work on memory also. Unfortunately, as a parent, we never think of these 12 skills for reading and writing. What we do is अभ्यासाला बस म्हणजे वही पेन घे आणि लिही. But child is not able to do that because all these pre-skills are not developed.
Okay. So I think it is very important, or probably you can just throw some more light, that all development, I mean, not developing any of these skills or non-development of any of these skills is no way related to the intelligence of the child. Exactly. Intelligence is absolutely different. So veda eka kalat nahi shouldn't be the case. So if you can just throw some light on that, because I think that is where the real trauma for the kid may be, when आई वडीलच त्याला म्हणतात की कसं हेतलं कळत नाही, एवढंच बेसिक.
So see in sorry, is this arrangement okay?
Yes.
So see, intelligence of the child is normal, majority of the cases intelligent, but that can be tested by psychologist. If there is a doubt in intelligence, but you need not go to unnecessarily. Testing must be done if child is struggling in academics for more than 6 months.
Okay.
And all these pre-skills, whatever we had a talk about, gross motor, fine motor, and bilateral and midline, occupational therapist or pediatric physiotherapist is the person to whom you should visit.
Okay.
So these are the 2 visits parents should do. But all the children say they are not able to perform that task because they are lagging in these pre-skills. It is not because they are dumb and they don't understand what you are saying. If my fine motor muscles are weak and you are asking me, okay, how many times I am telling you to hold this pen properly, intelligence might not be a problem. But if you find your child is struggling in studies, you should talk to psychologist, clinical psychologist, and all these motor skills must be tested by occupational therapist or pediatric physiotherapist.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the obvious questions आपण एवढं सारं discussion केलंय about the pre-skills that are needed. So the obvious question is that what are the easy activities that can be done at home to develop these pre-skills and how do we improve on these pre-skills? So not
Yes.
just at home, but what all can be done to improve these pre-skills?
Yes. Even during this lockdown, I feel this is blessing in disguise. If we use this period very wisely to develop all these pre-skills among our children, that will help. अगदी छोटं सांगते, गोट्या खेळणं, प्लेइंग मार्बल्स, अगदी सहज शक्य आहे. आपल्या घरात कितीही छोटी जागा असली तरी गोट्या खेळण्यापुरती जागा म्हणजे तेवढा चौकोन नक्की मिळू शकतो. सो प्लेइंग मार्बल्स कॅन इम्प्रूव्ह आय हँड कोऑर्डिनेशन, gross motor skill, core muscle strength, space, judgment. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention these skills for mathematics. Sequence, understanding of sequence, because mathematics is a subject of sequence. Understanding of space. See, if understanding of space is not developed, then child's mathematics skills will get hampered, but child's writing skills will also get hampered. Because you want a child to write, when we are writing, we are keeping specific space in between 2 letters and in between 2 words and in between 2 lines. Children whose understanding of space is not developed, their handwriting or writing skill hampers a lot.
Okay.
Mathematics skills hampers a lot. So understanding of space, sequence, and time. By time, I don't mean understanding a clock. Nowadays, we have digital clocks, na? But that does not mean understanding clock. Understanding of time means understanding the concept of time. किती वेळ गेलाय, अर्धा तास झाला का 5 तास झाले, 5 मिनिटं झाले का 2 तास झाले, हे जजमेंट आहे. अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ कंपॅरिझन, अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ डिस्टन्स, ऑल थिंग्स आर नेसेसरी फॉर मॅथमॅटिक्स. But now we can do small activities like playing marbles, playing carom board. So it helps. Kite, flying kite, लंगडी, त्याच्याबरोबर झायलोफोन नावाचा एक खेळ मिळतो बघा लहान मुलांचा.
येस, दुकानात आहे.
दुकानात आहे. I used to I had taken that for my children. So झायलोफोन सारखे खेळ आहेत ना अगदी यंग एज पासून. So that helps children to develop that listening skill. Musical beats आहेत ना त्याच्यावर. आणि there is a difference की सारे गमते त्याच्यावर वाचतं ते, किंवा कन्स्ट्रक्शन टॉईज असतात दुकानांमध्ये मिळतात. तुमच्याकडे पण भरपूर कन्स्ट्रक्शन टॉईज, अगदी बारीक बारीक ह्याच्यापासून ते मोठ्या मोठ्या ह्याच्यापर्यंत. मूल जितकं लहान, ब्लॉक्स, मूल जितकं लहान तितके ब्लॉक्स मोठे, आणि मूल जसं मोठं होतं तसं ते लहान लहान. ते कन्स्ट्रक्शन टॉईज का, त्याच्यातनं पिन्सर ग्रिप, फाईन मोटर स्किल्स will improve, eye hand coordination will improve. Puzzles, see there are many puzzles for 3 years, 4 years to very big
Correct.
puzzles are available. Yes,
Correct.
those puzzles develop your logical skill also, develop observation skill, develop eye hand coordination.
Correct.
So many skills are there. So
Correct.
in the building we can play badminton or ring tennis, disc, very simple games. You don't need much. When this COVID will allow you, child must play on the ground. 1 तास तरी एखादी शिकवणी कमी करा मुलाची, पण
Correct.
बिकॉज ऑल दोज स्किल्स आर व्हेरी नेसेसरी. पझल्स
So,
आहेत, स्टेन्सिल्स आहेत, बीड्स आहेत.
पण घरात अशा काय छोट्या छोट्या आपण ऍक्टिव्हिटीज करू शकतो विच विल इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प देम?
येस, सो इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प देम मीन्स शेंगदाणे सोलणं आहे, मूग मटकी असे ह्या शाळांमधनं प्री स्कूल्स पण ह्या ऍक्टिव्हिटीज देत असतात. रांगोळी काढायला सांगणं मुलाला मुलीला, आणि हे फक्त मुलीला नाही हा, मुलांना सुद्धा, मुलग्यांना सुद्धा. त्यामुळे रांगोळी काढायला सांगणं, शेंगदाणे सोलायला सांगणं, कणिक भिजवणं, क्ले मिळतात वेगवेगळ्या रंगाचे, त्या क्ले पासून प्रिपेअरिंग डिफरंट टॉईज अँड लेटर्स अँड नंबर्स आउट ऑफ दॅट clay. So, and for observation skills, there are many books available, like Find a Difference, Find a Similarity, or books are available in market, like there is a cat and wants to go to milk and find a way for her. Mazes, all those. So find a difference, find a similarity. One thing can be done nowadays with the help of Google is there are many musical instruments. So child should listen the sound of that particular instrument, and then he should recognize what instrument, what's it. Association of that particular instrument with that particular sound. Leading, because we want to lead them to letter and sound association.
Correct.
Listening sound of animals, birds, association is very necessary.
Okay. One more thing we spoke about was attention, which I think is a major issue nowadays. So what can be done to improve the attention of kids? कारण त्यांचा अटेन्शन स्पॅन खूप छोटा असतो. सो तो इम्प्रूव्ह करायला हळूहळू होईल, तो एकदम तर होणार नाही. आणि व्हॉट वुड यू सजेस्ट, हाऊ डू वी इम्प्रूव्ह द अटेन्शन?
I think attention is the basic building block. Without attention, you cannot do anything. 3 things hamper attention. One is diet.
Okay.
Too much extra, too much, more than necessary sugar, preservatives hampers attention, or fast food hampers attention. So diet should be very careful. So pediatricians can tell you that diet, or nutritionist can you tell you diet, and even it's a common sense of traditional upbringing can tell you diet.
Traditional eating,
Traditional tips. So diet, sleep. We are visiting thousands of parents and teachers. We are interacting as a foundation, and unfortunately I'm observing that sleep is not taken care of. Children are sleeping very late and coming in the morning school. Whatever methods teachers will use will be useless. So continuous sleep of 8 years at night. We need to change our routine at home. But
8 hours of minimum.
Yeah. So diet, sleep, and screen time.
Which is a very big issue nowadays.
Yeah. Nowadays, learning through this media has no option. So we need to reduce the screen time at other occasions. I mean, other than this learning, child will have many activities.
Correct.
And it's a fun to have many activities with children and asking them to do.
Correct.
So, one research I would like to tell parents. Just now, I don't have that full complete name of that paper with me, but that paper says कि if we have more screen time, our brain is used to after every 4 seconds, brain needs change.
Okay.
And if child is having screen time more than 1 hour, 2 hours a day, 1 hour or more than that, then the brain loses the capacity to focus.
Okay.
So parents need to be very careful about this. Nowadays, learning through WhatsApp or that has no option.
Correct.
So other times, लंगडी खेळा, गोट्या खेळा, पतंग उडवा, कॅरम खेळा, too many things.
Correct. So now during our discussion, एक thing which probably has been highlighted किंवा जी खूप लक्षात आली आहे is की ह्या सगळ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण लेटर रेकग्निशन हे प्री स्किल म्हणून धरलंच नाही. प्री स्किल्स आर ऍब्सोल्युटली समथिंग एल्स की ABCD
Yes.
येतं त्याला, हे
Yes.
असं वाटतं की हे बेसिक प्री स्किल आहे, पण दॅट इज नॉट अ प्री स्किल. सो लेटर रेकग्निशन हे कुठे येतं ह्या सगळ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये? वेअर डज लेटर रेकग्निशन कम? व्हॉट इन दिस क्यू ऑफ स्किल्स?
आणि आपल्याकडे वी थिंक लेटर रिकॉग्निशन इज द फर्स्ट थिंग टू डू, फर्स्ट थिंग टू हॅपन इफ यू वॉन्ट युअर चाइल्ड टू लर्न. बट child will be able to do recognition of letter and letter sound association, like I said, C says k and A says a, like that. First, child must sit properly, gross motor skills, core muscle skills, pay attention, have listening ability, listening skills must be developed. Then all that recognition, all that visual skills must be there, visual span, visual tracing, all that must be done. आणि हे सगळं झाल्यावर कधीतरी त्याच्या पुढे लेटर रिकॉग्निशन येतं.
Okay. Okay.
So
So I think this is a very important takeaway. Ki letter recognition is not a pre-skill, and that comes much later in the queue.
yeah, yes.
Okay, so I guess we can now go to the questions from the audience.
Yeah.
We have some comments which have come in, and we can go one by one. You
Okay.
can answer those questions. Ekhada, if you feel ki there is something that needs to be treated differently, ki ह्याला थोडं personal attention ची गरज आहे, personal one-to-one discussion, so you can let them know, let the audience know, and accordingly they can contact.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So the first one we have is regarding autism. So I think it's a different topic altogether. So please autism kids साठी सुद्धा सांगा on this topic असं ते म्हणताय. So if you want to just comment on this.
ऑटिझम साठी सांगा म्हणजे त्यांनाही सेन्सरी इनपुट्स अधिक लागतात ऑटिझमच्या मुलांना, म्हणजे ह्या प्रीस्किलच्या पलीकडे. बट आय एम सॉरी दॅट आय एम नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन ऑटिझम, सो I think I should not go in deep in that. But there are a few centers, even in Pune, like Prasanna Autism and other centers. Their parents can get a guidance.
Okay.
Why I am not saying, because if I have studied learning difficulties, dyslexia, and not autism. General idea I have. But
correct. But I think expert opinion would be much more appreciated.
Yeah.
Next is how can we motivate the skills for the kids in today's life, as all things are expected are happening by laptop. So जसं की सेडेंटरी हे झालेलं आहे, आपण एका ठिकाणी बसून मुलं शिकतायत सगळं, तर मग हाऊ डू वी मोटिवेट देम?
Yeah. As I said, let them sit in front of laptop for studies. Okay. Suppose 8 hours a day is our span, and child is sitting. Consider that child is in 5th, 6th standard or 7th standard and sitting 4-5 hours. But 1 hour you can give to these types of activities. मुलाला मूल जर लहान असेल ना, 3 वर्षाचं, 4 वर्षाचं, 5 वर्षाचं, तर घरात बेडवरून खाली, खालनं बेडवर, अशा उड्या, खालनं बेडवर थोडा अवघड होईल, पण बेडवरून खाली अशा उड्या मारू द्या. बिल्डिंगचा जिना आहे तिथे उड्या मारू द्या. घरातल्या घरात बिल्डिंगच्या खाली लेट देम प्ले लंगडी. लेट देम, nowadays all children cannot play together because of COVID, but your child, only your child can do that langdi, only your child can do that jumping. आणि जेव्हा कोविड विल अलाउ, जेव्हा ही सगळी सिच्युएशन जाईल, तेव्हा प्लीज प्लीज एनरोल चिल्ड्रन फॉर ग्राउंड ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. त्यामुळे हे करता येऊ शकतं.
Okay.
कॅरम खेळा
Next,
घरातल्या घरात.
next is, it's challenging for writing and reading today. They don't need to copy and write or use textbooks. Mostly they learn by PPT. So how can we develop their skills? I think writing हे कमी झालंय, तर नुसतं बघूनच शिकतोय आपण. So how do we help in that?
But see, though it is a book or it is a PPT, child has to read. And a child whose visual skills are developed, whose eye-hand motor coordination is developed, whose core muscles are developed, will be able to sit in a proper posture and then only read. Reading might not be reading. When I'm saying reading, I don't mean only books. Reading on even screen, WhatsApp. So that is reading. But for that also children need all these skills. And writing, say writing comes in two ways. Physical writing, I mean copying down from somewhere, but writing has another aspect. Whatever thoughts I am having about that topic, gathering all those thoughts in a proper sequence and then putting. You can have a laptop. You don't need to write by pen like we used to write, or before 2020 we used to write with pens. Once upon a time we used to write with pens. Now we will write with laptops, no issues. But you have to have that skill of putting your thoughts in a proper sequence and knowing punctuation marks. Laptop will help you for spelling dictation, spelling corrections. But sentence formation, that sequence, you have to have. So these pre-skills have no alternative.
Correct. Next is, please also tell how to develop these skills. So जसं आपण आता बोललो ह्याच्याबद्दल, पण quickly if you can just brush through it, की how do we develop these skills at home or post this?
गोट्या खेळा, गोट्या, विट्टीदांडू, कॅरम, लंगडी, बॅडमिंटन, स्विमिंग, बास्केटबॉल. आता बास्केटबॉल, child cannot go out. You can have in sports shops, you get that basketball game nowadays. Yeah? So take it, put it on your window as per the height of the child. Ask child to do it 15, 20 times, 25 times in a day. Hand coordination will develop, shoulder muscles will develop, fine motor grip will develop, gross motor will develop. Automatically that will improve reading and writing.
Next is, how do we encourage reading in kids? What are the ways?
First, if we are reading, children will read. So every home, do we have a reading time at home? Need to do that. At least 15 minutes a day. Fine. But that should be a reading time, common reading time at home that will develop. Particularly in cities like Pune, there are few libraries. They give you home delivery. So that will that home delivery of books will help. Audio books are available. Once child listens that audio, that curiosity is there.
It's generated.
This is the book. Yes, I have heard this story. So is this the same story? So both ways can be done. Basically, start with from today, take out 15 to 20 minutes. Start from 15 to 20 minutes. It may get extended to hours also. Common reading time of the family. Every member of the family, if you have dog and cat also, they should also sit.
Okay.
That
Correct.
can
So I
be
think
started.
again, जे मुलं बघतील ते शिकतील. It is as simple as that. If
Correct,
you are
correct.
doing it, your kids are out to follow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Next we have is with the COVID-19 pandemic, schools are online. Is it advisable to have online schools for children of age 3 to 5 years who will be studying in nursery or LKG?
See, advisable किंवा काय माहिती नाही. This is inevitable now.
Correct.
We have to accept that. And many schools are finding out solutions. They are sending videos on WhatsApp.
Videos.
Yeah,
Yes.
that is the only way they can do. If we want them to read and write or and keep them intellectually engaged, school is also, or we do not have any option now. But fortunately, all schools are keeping that time limited. 1 hour
Yes.
or 2 hours. Our children are allowed to watch those videos as per their convenience. So it is inevitable, unavoidable. So you have to accept that and then keep child away from that screen for the
For
other
the
time
during the
during the
okay,
other
so
time.
next is up till what age do these skills develop?
They continue to
Pre-skills.
develop, yeah, pre-skills generally till age of 7 they are developing fast because whole progress or process of development is very fast. But uh, in older children, with the activities like badminton, tennis, basketball, swimming, you can develop these skills. Even few children 14, 15 years also they can develop. But
Okay.
occupational therapist exercises play very important role in that.
Okay. Next we have is how to train in skills at initial levels, only maybe 3 or 4 year old. So again,
Ah, that
similar.
is the
Ki
that is the beautiful age to develop these skills. Yes,
ideal age.
ideal age, and all toy and game shops are full for this tech puzzles, tech puzzle games, tech construction block games. So even that beads and threading the beads and making ornaments and all that, instead of buying that Barbie material, I'm not against Barbie, but nothing cultural. But once in a while, that Barbie and all that, that also, yeah, I mean, gives inputs for creative playing and all that. Those aspects are there. Barbie doll and all that playing gives imagination and all that aspects are there. But all these pre-skills, many games are there, particularly for young age. Ask them to ride a bicycle. So
सो
it
आय
has,
थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम गेम्स साध्या छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी ज्या आपण घरातही करू शकतो. लाईक फॉर एक्झाम्पल माय चाइल्ड यूज टू डू दिस, की तो सोफ्यावरच्या सगळ्या उशा काढायचा आणि त्याचा मोठा डोंगर करायचा.
yes,
आणि इट वॉज सिम्पल ऍक्टिव्हिटी, पण आय थिंक दॅट वॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ही मेड शुअर दे वर इन परफेक्ट ऑर्डर. त्याची एक ठरलेला क्रम होता, क्रोनॉलॉजी होती,
correct,
की दिस
correct,
क्वेश्चन हॅज टू गो ओव्हर द नेक्स्ट वन, किंवा
exactly,
तो बॅलन्स कसा होतो ह्याचा विचार करणं. It's a very
exactly.
simple activity with you don't need any specific tool for that, but
Yes,
such activities can also probably
yeah.
help develop these three skills.
And if child is from 3 years old to 13, 15 years old, you can ask them to be in kitchen with you. की एवढी भाजी उरली आहे, कुठल्या भांड्यात काढू. So child has to select the proper utensil. Half liter दूध and milk and 1 liter milk. Which utensil will you select? Okay, you have time. go measure the door windows in feet, in inches, in centimeter. They will learn that conversion also. They will have
Correct.
that judgment of distance also. So very simple things can be done.
Okay. Next is, can you also guide about speech clarity for reading skills and whom can be
Ha,
contacted?
ha. Speech clarity is a must for this, but reading and writing. Speech therapists are there, and particularly in cities like Pune, Mumbai, Thane, we find speech therapists easily. So if child is having problem in speech therapist is the only solution. As I
Okay.
said, na, ki for all these pre-skills, occupational therapist assessment from them, psychologist assessment from them. See, all these professionals help us for assessment, and then we can develop all these skills.
Correct. Next, we again have a question about how can I develop reading skills of my 8-year-old child. So I
Ah,
think 8 years is a age when generally
correct.
parents expect them to start reading, maybe in
Yes.
Marathi or maybe in English.
Yeah.
So how
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
that be developed?
Uh, First, as said, check if the child is having all these pre-skills developed, huh? And then make daily specific time for reading. Take help of books, audio books. तुम्ही वाचलात की मुलं वाचणार आहेत. तुम्ही व्हॉट्सअप वाचलात की मुलं पण व्हॉट्सअपच वाचणार आहेत. Whatever we will do, children will do.
Correct. So
Simple.
probably we can just have a time fixed. आणि मी
Yeah.
वाचते माझं पुस्तक, तुलाही तुझं पुस्तक वाचायला देते.
Yes.
If
Yes.
you have any difficulties, I'm there sitting right next to you to help you out.
And then if child is struggling in reading, taking too much time, doing reversal of letter, omitting lines, then take a note that all these pre-skills are not developed. So play all those games and activities at home, consult all the necessary professionals, and then child can read and write.
One of the audience would like to know about photo memory and audio memory.
Ah, see, it is not clear-cut division as photo memory and audio memory. Few children prefer or can it is easy for them to remember things as a photo, or see, there are types of learners: auditory learners, visual learners. Auditory learners are who can learn through only listening. Visual learners who can seeing is learning for them. Kinesthetic learners are doing is learning for them. So but I think you should not uh, give a label to your child in very young age. Let us give exposures to all styles of learning by listening, learning by seeing, and learning by doing. And then mix and match combination is possible, but
Okay.
few children have strong inclination towards one. Yeah, so you can provide that type of inputs.
Okay. Then next is, please revise necessary skills for learning. Just the name. So आपण जे 12 स्किल्सची नावं सांगितली
Okay,
मगाशी. If you can just repeat all the names.
testing me. Okay, whoever has asked this question, I'm happy. Please, parents, please make a note. We are coming from bottom to top. It is easy for remember. Gross motor skills, पाया आणि हातामधली ताकद. कोर मसल्स म्हणजे कमरेचे आणि पाठीचे स्नायू. शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ. देन फाईन मोटर. देन आय अँड हँड कोऑर्डिनेशन. देन visual skills, visual span, visual tracing, like that. Then bilateral coordination, balancing of both parts of the body. Midline crossing, ये midline यहाँ से यहाँ, my my eyes and my hand should be able to cross that midline. Then attention, listening, observation, and memory. I think now parents would have been able to make a note of this.
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
Next is, ideally, at what age the child should start writing? I think this would
Very,
differ from.
yeah, very important question. But because, as I said, in India we love writing. Actually, educationists say that before 6 to 7 years, child should not write, must not write.
Okay.
But in India, we love that our preschoolers are writing. And that is damaging, actually damaging those children. त्यांच्या छोट्या छोट्या डेव्हलप न झालेल्या स्नायूंवर खूप ताण येतोय. बट दे आर इंडियन्स, दे विल रश थ्रू दॅट. त्यामुळे खरं तर 6-7 वर्षापर्यंत. सो आय फील दिस पॅन्डेमिक इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाईज. I am happy for children in junior, senior KG and nursery that automatically their writing is avoided. I'm happy for that.
Okay. Okay. The next one is, as due to lockdown, children cannot go out and can't meet their friends, so they're staying at home. Does it affect their skills in development?
Can be. It can affect loneliness and थोडी चिडचिड होणं किंवा असं. सो नाव फॉर्च्युनेटली अनफॉर्च्युनेटली कंपल्शन, पेरेंट्स हॅव मेजर रोल टू प्ले. आणि म्हणून मग नाव व्हॉट, सो दिस टेक्नॉलॉजी कॅन हेल्प ब्युटिफुली. Once in a day, we can have 20 minutes or half an hour for reading, and that Zoom call or WhatsApp video call with friends, relatives, connecting them for 15 to 20 minutes, having a chit chat as a family. So 1 hour, this time together will help children to get relaxed, because unfortunately they are not getting their need of friends.
Could you name some books for reading for 5-year-old kid? Probably English आणि मराठी दोन्ही, जर तुम्ही स्पेसिफिक, आय थिंक टॉपिक्स सांगू शकता, इफ नॉट नेम्स ऑफ द बुक्स, पण टॉपिक्स प्रॉब्ली.
सी टॉपिक्स म्हणजे ना, ह्या काळात imaginary fairy tales help, because that gives boosting to imagination and creativity. पण त्याच बरोबरीने एनसायक्लोपीडिया कॅन हेल्प. म्हणजे अगदी 5 वर्षाच्या मुलाला सुद्धा छोटे छोटे हल्ली मिळतात ते स्टोरीज ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, स्टोरीज फ्रॉम हितोपदेश, स्टोरीज फ्रॉम रामायण महाभारत, स्टोरीज फ्रॉम अकबर बिरबल समजणार नाही. खरं सांगू का, आता माझी मुलं मोठी झाल्यामुळे असेल, मला 5 वर्षाचा शोधायला लागेल. बघितलं की कळेल. पण स्टोरीज ऑफ ॲनिमल्स, फ्रुट्स, फेरी टेल्स, इसाप नीती,
इमॅजिनेशन जे बूस्ट करू शकतील अशा पद्धतीच्या छोट्या गोष्टी.
आणि असं पुस्तकांची दुकानं दुथडी भरून वाहत आहेत. म्हणजे मार्केट इज फुल फॉर मॉरल स्टोरीज, फॉर ऑल स्टोरीज. फक्त एक करायला हवं बरं का, की कल्चर फेअर स्टोरीज शुड बी सिलेक्टेड. म्हणजे आय एम नॉट अगेन्स्ट एनी वेस्टर्न कंट्री ऑर एनी अदर कंट्री, पण 5 वर्षाच्या मुलाला चायनीज स्टोरीज इन इंग्लिश असं देण्यापेक्षा त्याला मग हितोपदेशामधल्या गोष्टी जर दिल्या, कल्चरली दॅट चाइल्ड शुड बी एबल टू रिलेट, ते करायला पाहिजे.
रिलेट करता येतं,
रिलेट करता आलं, भोवती बघितलेलं तर असलं पाहिजे ना.
आय थिंक रिलेट करायला लागलं की आपोआप त्यात जास्त इंटरेस्ट निर्माण होतो.
एक्झॅक्टली.
Next we have is how to deal the confusion, reading writing confusion between B or D or similar alphabets and numbers.
See, all reading writing, this reversal confusion and all that, As I said, visual skills and hand dominance is very important in that. Generally how our brain remembers is B असाय आणि D असाय. म्हणजे there is a stick at left side and bump at right side. There is a stick at left side and bump at right side and bump at left side. It's B and D. Left and right confusion can cause a reversal problem. Can cause. I cannot say anything without getting details. But hand dominance, visual skills, attention, and observation, all these, you develop all these skills, child will overcome that. But if child is facing the learning difficulties more than 6 months, then testing is advisable.
Okay. Next we have is how do we limit screen time? So I think आता आपण इतका वेळ जे बोललो
नाही गोट्या
So playing with your kids and having a good time with them आणि असं काहीतरी करणं ज्यांनी त्यांना इंटरेस्ट वाटेल आणि they will probably look forward to this time more than the screen time.
आणि काय माहितीये का, त्यांच्याशी खेळायचं म्हणजे काही वेगळं खेळायचं असंही नाहीये ना. टेक देम टू किचन, ask them to help you out, tell them to come to bedroom, ask them to help you out too in preparing bed. Tell them, अगदी 3-4 वर्षापासून 2 वर्षापासून सांगते ना हे मी, 2-2.5 वर्षाच्या मुलापासून ते पायावर उभं राहिलं की ते आपल्या बरोबरीनं आपण त्याला सगळीकडे घरात वावरायला दिले पाहिजे. म्हणजे आज टेक देअर हेल्प, त्याच्यातनं ते तुमच्याशी कनेक्ट, आई वडिलांशी कनेक्शन तर वाढेलच, म्हणजे त्याला असं खूप वेगळा वेळ काढून द्यावा लागतो. आणि मग आता बघा, so I have all this work to do in pandemic, no maids, and how can I play with my child? For child, you are showing how to cut a tomato. It's a game. For a child, helping you to make a dough of chapati is a game. For child, पांघरुणाच्या छान घड्या करणं is a game.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. And very simple thing, if we are cooking, ask them, tell them stories, say songs. आता सुरुवातीला आपल्याला समजा हिंदी सिनेमातले सॉन्ग येत असतील, आपलेही पाठ नसतील, त्या निमित्ताने आठवा जुन्या कविता, पाठ करा.
Okay. Next we have is I think one of them again wants you to repeat the pre-skills. If you can just repeat the names. Then late join zalet, so probably it's a very important takeaway I think from the session. So you can just repeat the 12 skills that we spoke about. नावं त्याची फक्त.
Yeah, parents, I am repeating, but I want promise from you that you will play all the activities and games to develop these skills. You now I know that you cannot tell me verbally, but I am sure that I am hopeful that I will get that promise from you. From bottom, gross motors, core muscles, shoulder, fine motor, eye-hand coordination, bilateral coordination, midline crossing, visual skills, physical level finish. आणि असंच लक्षात ठेवा खालपासून वरपर्यंत, म्हणजे कुठलं मिस होत नाही. आणि मग अटेन्शन, लिसनिंग, ऑब्झर्वेशन, मेमरी. येस, सिंपल.
Okay. Next is, which is the best and future international language for 12-year girls? I think हा थोडासा आपल्या विषयाशी रिलेटेड हे नाहीये.
आपल्या विषयाशी नाहीये, पण ना याच्यात गर्ल्स आणि बॉईज असा काही फरक असण्याचं कारण नाही. म्हणजे त्यामुळे थोडं मुलांचं लाइकिंग पाहून लक्षात घ्या.
ओके. 14 years of age आहे आणि ग्रास्पिंग इज ॲव्हरेज आणि अभ्यासात कंटाळा करत असेल तर काय करता येईल?
बघा, as I said,
I think 14 years of age, so बऱ्यापैकी मोठ्या ह्याच्याबद्दल.
हो, पण see, now can you relate? Ki all these pre-skills are not developed, so child is not able to do that reading and writing, and so child is saying की मला कंटाळा आला, मला करायचं नाही, मला जमत नाही, मी करणार नाही, मला आवडतच नाही. If core muscles are not developed, child is not able to maintain that posture. Eye hand coordination is not developed, child is not able to write. So need to check the reason. See, assessment and testing. Unfortunate, very unfortunate thing in India. Parent, whoever asked this question, I must appreciate you, and I say thank you to you for asking this question, because this gives the opportunity to say, okay, unfortunately in India we do not do testing in proper time. Actually, it should be done third and fourth standard, but in 14 years you need to check all these pre-skills. Again, visit to psychologist, visit to occupational therapist.
Okay. Okay. I think she has again commented saying no, which means probably this is not the issue that she's talking about. All this probably has been done. तर
Okay.
इन दॅट केस काय करता येईल, तर मे बी
हा.
हा
Testing.
इंटरेस्टचा पण विषय असू शकतो.
हा,
14
नाही, नाही.
इयर्स मध्ये
इंटरेस्ट पण आणि टेस्टिंग पण. म्हणजे असेसमेंट इज नेसेसरी इन दिस केस. All major hospitals in Pune, if these parents are from Pune, all major hospitals in Pune, like Dinanath, Sahyadri, KEM, even Gnan Prabodhini is not hospital but school, but they do testing.
Next we have is, do you think that learning in English or learning in mother tongue affects the child's learning abilities or interest?
Yes, if surely yes, but when to a certain extent, if that parents are in a position to give a support of that language in which child is learning. I mean, if my child is in English medium, I should be able to provide that support. Whatever difficulty child is facing, I should be able to explain that. In that case, that problem will reduce. Initial problem will be there during first, second, third, but children learn language. But it is well known truth that all educationists and experts are saying for so many years that learning mother tongue, that is the best solution. But for various reasons in India, including my children are in English medium schools. So this conflict is going to be there in India. So
supporting them, I think.
Yeah, supporting, and whatever language you have chose as a medium of instruction or medium of learning, give exposure of that language to your child. But please remember, bottom line, that mother tongue, if there is a mastery on mother tongue, then you can learn many languages.
Okay, I think we'll have last two questions. The second last one is, how do you remove the inferiority complex a child develops by comparing himself with others? Sometimes jealousy takes over.
So again, as child is struggling in studies, you have to do testing. If child is struggling, child of any age struggling with such problems, inferiority complex, superiority complex, low confidence, overconfidence, then counselor is the choice. I mean, need to visit. But in India, unfortunately, it is not a very common thing. We feel that it's like a taboo.
Correct.
But counseling helps to a great extent.
आय थिंक मी हे माझ्या मागच्या सगळ्या लाईव्ह मध्ये हा विषय कधी ना कधीतरी आलेला आहे आणि एव्हरी टाइम आय हॅव बीन सेइंग दॅट द टॅबू अराउंड काउन्सिलिंग हॅज टू बी रिमूव्ह. इट इज ॲज कॉमन ॲज गोइंग अँड सीइंग अ डॉक्टर. इट्स नथिंग एल्स.
Yeah, and parents, please, I would like to request them, please don't take that I am advertising for so many professionals. I have not taken any particular name. I have said कि all these professionals are necessary for assessment.
Correct. I think the last one which we could take is one of them has asked for an example of each skill. आपण जे 12 skills म्हणले, an example of that skill. So
हाँ.
I think we can go one by one. मी पहिलं एक skill सांगते and you can just give the example. So first would be the gross motor skills. By example, we mean, I think, to develop, obviously.
हाँ, to develop. Running and lungdi.
Okay. Second would be core muscles development.
Yogasan, Surya Namaskar, soldier crawl.
Okay. Then would be the shoulder development.
Again, Surya Namaskar, swimming, tennis, badminton, basketball, volleyball.
Okay. Next would be fine motor skills.
Crumbling papers, making balls, pressing soft balls, that smiley balls are there, pressing that, शेंगदाणे सोलणं,
Okay.
कणिक भिजवणं, भाजी चिरणं.
Next would be eye-hand coordination.
थ्रेडिंग बीड्स, माळा बनवणं, शूलेस टाय करणं, बटणं लावणं.
Next is visual skills.
Visual skills मध्ये ना there is one exercise for developing tracing skill is you put your thumb from left side and from left to right you trace it without moving your neck. You just trace it visually.
Okay. Next would be the bilateral skills.
Bilateral skills आणि midline crossing.
Midline crossing.
हे एकमेकात गुंतणाऱ्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी आहेत. जसं म्हणजे काही योगासनं आहेत, त्याच्या योगासनं किंवा स्पोर्ट्स इज द बेस्ट मीडियम टू डेव्हलप दिस बायलॅटरल अँड मिडलाईन क्रॉसिंग स्किल्स.
Then would be attention. Attention, listening, observation and memory.
Yes,
so
yes.
क्लब करून किंवा
अटेन्शन साठी ना छोटच म्हणजे क्लोज युअर आईज, लिसन दी साऊंड्स, फ्रॉम व्हॉट सोर्स दॅट साऊंड इज कमिंग, ऍक्टिव्हिटीज लाईक दॅट पासून मी तुला काय शब्द उलटे सुलटे करून सांगणार आहे आणि तू ते सरळ करून त्यातनं शब्द बनवायचे. प्राणायाम, ओंकार, that helps to develop attention.
Okay, listening.
लिसनिंग स्किल्स मध्ये ना लिसनिंग व्हेरियस इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स म्हणजे म्युझिक, नेचर, सो ऑल दोज स्किल्स आर हेल्प. देन ऑब्झर्वेशन.
जस्ट एकच सेकंड ना.
तो क्रेयॉन वाला शेवटचा एक प्रश्न.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Please go ahead.
सो ऑब्झर्वेशन. पुस्तकं मिळतात ना हल्ली, फाइंड द डिफरन्स, फाइंड द सिमिलॅरिटीज, सो ऑल दॅट. आय हँड कोऑर्डिनेशनला ते पझल्स, मेझेस त्याची पुस्तकं मिळतात. आणि मेमरीला अगदी सोपे गेम आपण खेळायचो ना, मी म्हंटल आंबा, तुम्ही म्हंटल चिक्कू, मग मी म्हंटल आंबा चिक्कू पेरू, लाईक दॅट.
Absolutely.
गाणी कविता घरात म्हणणं.
Before we close in, आपल्याकडे अजून एक क्वेश्चन आहे, which wherein it is the audience is saying, my son is attending nursery online classes and he will turn 3 years old in this May. The teacher keeps correcting him for holding the crayon in the right manner. I feel it's a lot of pressure for them at this age.
No. So once you understand this, ki child's gross motor skills are not developed. See, आधी पाया मग कळस असंच आहे बरं, हा कळस आहे. Gross motor skills are not developed, child will not be able to hold a pencil or crayon properly. So now if you have heard this session, you talk to the teacher. One thing, she will also she might be knowing that, but it is her role to tell him the correct pencil grip. If she does not tell, who else will tell that? And then now a child is most of the time at home, so you develop or you ask the child, you play activities to develop gross motor core muscles and all that, your child's fine motor skills will help improve.
Okay, I think that comes to the end of our list of questions that we had for you today.
Yes.
आणि खूप मनापासून थँक्यू. इट वॉज अ रिअली वंडरफुल सेशन. जो गायडन्स दिलाय, आय थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट टेक अवे फॉर एनी पेरेंट. सो थँक्यू फॉर टेकिंग द टाइम टू कम अँड ऍडवाइस अस ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस. मी आपल्या इंट्रोडक्शन मध्येही टाकलेलं आहे. मी परत एकदा सांगते, एनी वन हू वॉन्ट्स टू गेट इन टच विथ देम कॅन कॉन्टॅक्ट हर. तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर आता ईमेल आयडी आणि व्हॉट्सअप नंबर दिसत असेल. So please, you can connect with her wherever needed, and she will be available.
And please WhatsApp to that number, because
Yes.
Then I will be able to answer when I get time, because my day is scheduled. So I might not be able to receive the calls, but I will reply to WhatsApp.
Absolutely. So once again, thank you so much. आणि खेळ्याच्या लाईव्ह मध्ये आल्याबद्दल थँक्यू.
And thank you for this opportunity. And I'm sure that parents will do all these activities.
Absolutely. मी नक्की करीन.
Remember our old golden days of playing marbles and caroms and bitti dandu.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Bye bye.